Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Sempre Levante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Evan Chait here from Kinetic Rehab and Spine. I want to teach you how to use the Hypervolt with mobilization, with movement to the upper trapezius. So this is great for anybody that has headaches, neck pain. If they have a postural distortion that's affecting them, this is a great strategy to use at home. So first of all, turn on. The on button's at the bottom, it's already on, and then that's the power. So there's 3 different speeds. Now from here, you can do this at home. So grab a doorway, palm facing you, grabbing on from here. You're gonna side bend your head this way. So this is actually anchored down, my arm is anchored down as my head is going this way. I'm gonna apply the Hypervolt, just like this. So I'm gonna come down like that, oh yeah. So as the muscle is in an elongated position, I'm massaging the upper trap. Now, words of caution when you do this at home. Do not go to the front part of the neck, avoid the front part of the neck, okay? You wanna stay on the back part, in this meaty area right through here, avoiding through here because you could pass out. Don't do that. So use caution when you do this technique at home. Make sure the arm is anchored. Make sure you're just holding it in one spot and going up and down in a very small segment. Don't go to the front part of the neck. Avoid that as much as possible. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about the strategies and techniques we use at Kinetic Rehab and Spine, hit like, hit share, and subscribe. Thank you. Sempre Levante.